Your shower is one of the most essential features of your bathroom. Over time, though, it can begin to show signs of wear and tear that affect not only its appearance but also its functionality. For homeowners in Pascagoula, upgrading to a custom shower can provide a more personalized and efficient bathing experience while increasing the value of your home. Here are 5 clear signs it's time to replace your old shower with a custom solution. Visible wear and tear. If your current shower is showing signs of deterioration, such as cracked tiles, discolored grout, or rusted fixtures, it's likely time for an upgrade. These issues not only make your bathroom look outdated but can also lead to more serious problems, like water leaks or mold growth. A custom shower solution allows you to replace worn-out materials with high-quality, durable options. From modern tile designs to seamless grout-free panels, you can create a sleek, stylish shower that's built to last. For Pascagoula homeowners, upgrading to a custom shower can also enhance your home's overall aesthetic and functionality. Frequent repair. Are you constantly fixing your shower's plumbing, tiles, or fixtures? Frequent repairs are not only frustrating but can also add up in cost over time. If you're spending more on repairs than it would cost to install a new shower, it's time to consider a custom solution. Custom showers offer the opportunity to upgrade to modern, reliable fixtures and plumbing systems. You can choose features like water-saving showerheads or easy-to-maintain surfaces to minimize future upkeep and save money in the long run. For homeowners in Pascagoula, this can be a practical way to eliminate recurring maintenance headaches. Poor functionality. Does your shower fail to meet your needs? Perhaps it's too small, lacks proper water pressure, or doesn't have features you desire. Poor functionality can make your daily routine less enjoyable and may even reduce the value of your home. With a custom shower, you can design a space that works perfectly for you. Whether you want a spacious walk-in shower, dual showerheads, or built-in shelving for better storage, a custom solution ensures your bathroom is tailored to your lifestyle. In Pascagoula, where homes vary in style and size, a personalized shower upgrade can dramatically improve your bathroom's usability and comfort. Water leaks or damage. Water leaks in your shower can lead to costly damage, such as warped flooring, stained ceilings, or mold growth. If you notice water pooling outside your shower, persistent dampness, or visible water damage, it's time to take action. A custom shower installation allows you to address these issues at their source. Upgrading to a leak-proof design with quality materials ensures your bathroom stays dry and free of damage. For Pascagoula homeowners, where humidity can exacerbate water issues, this upgrade is especially important for maintaining a safe and healthy home. Outdated appearance. If your shower looks like it belongs in another decade, it may be time for a refresh. An outdated shower can make your entire bathroom feel old-fashioned and uninviting. Whether it's dated tile patterns, dull fixtures, or a cramped enclosure, an old shower can drag down the overall look of your home. A custom shower gives you the opportunity to completely transform the aesthetic of your bathroom. Choose from modern materials, finishes, and layouts to create a stylish and contemporary space. For Pascagoula homeowners, a custom shower not only upgrades your daily experience but also adds to the value and appeal of your property. Why choose a custom shower solution in Pascagoula? Upgrading to a custom shower offers more than just a visual improvement. It's an investment in functionality, comfort, and value. By addressing issues like leaks, poor design, and outdated materials, a custom shower transforms your bathroom into a space that fits your needs and lifestyle. With options like frameless glass doors, rainfall showerheads, and eco-friendly features, you can create a shower that's as practical as it is luxurious. Pascagoula homeowners looking to upgrade their bathrooms can benefit from the expertise of local professionals who specialize in custom shower solutions. Whether you're remodeling an older home or building a new one, a custom shower is the perfect way to enhance your space. Ready to upgrade? If your old shower is showing any of these 5 signs, it's time to consider a custom solution. Contact a trusted contractor in Pascagoula to explore your options and start designing the shower of your dreams. With a custom shower, you're not just upgrading your bathroom, you're upgrading your home and your quality of life.